Creating beautiful gradients and modern tiled backgrounds is a difficult task for even the most talented graphic artist. This is why I'm bringing you a new background design tool. I think you're gonna love it. So as you see, Wallpaper is going to be an amazing design tool for your websites. It brings in an infinite number of background possibilities with all of its customizable SVG backgrounds and hundreds of beautiful web gradients. Wallpaper is going to make you look good.